Good day and welcome to another Six Gun Grill recipe. Today I'm going to do a spring onion, camembert and 6 gun garlic ciabatta bread. Let me show you how. What you need some butter. So I've used some Wonderful butter, about 100 grams, cut into slices. I'm going to add some parsley. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic. Our secret recipe, 6 gun. You can never have too much 6 gun. I'm going to stir it together to form this lovely butter. From the color of this, it needs more 6 gun. I'm going to go for the big gun. As said before, you can never have too much 6 gun. There we go, our butter is made. Nice clean surface. You need a ciabatta because this is a 6 gun ciabatta. For today's episode, I'm slicing my ciabatta sideways. You can obviously slice it downwards as well. I want to show you the spread of 6 gun. So you start off by spreading your bread with your butter. And this you do on both sides. For our next move, you need some Camembert cheese. You can use Brie as well. We'll pack this in layers. Topped with some Gouda cheese. Some spring onion. Ladies and gentlemen, it is as easy as that. Close our bread, give it a bit of a squeeze. You need some foil. And you wrap up this baby. This is ready for the braai or for the oven. For today's episode, I've preheated our oven on the conventional setting to 150 degrees. This is going to go in there for 10 minutes. 15 minutes has passed. Our 6 gun garlic bread is ready to come out of the oven. As you can see, our 6 gun garlic bread has been made. How is that? Look at that cheese oozing out there. Our bread has been done. Look how nicely everything has melted.